The name of our experiment is called Smoke Bomb Fountain Firework Volcano Explosion.
Combustion usually occurs when a hydrocarbon reacts to oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. It involves a reaction between any combustible material and an oxidizer to form an oxidized product.
Combustion is an exothermic reaction, so it releases heat, but sometimes the reaction proceeds so slowly that a temperature change is not noticeable. Combustion doesn't always result in fire, but when it does, a flame is a characteristic indicator of the reaction. While the activation energy must be overcome to initiate combustion, which means using a lit match to light a fire, and the heat from a flame may provide enough energy to make the reaction self-sustaining. Combustion is used for many different purposes in society today. Some examples of this use is gas ovens, cars, and fossil fuel power plants. This reaction is mainly used as a source for heat and light. People use fire every day to cook, keep warm, and to have light.
It is a chemical compound consisting of potassium, nitrogen, and oxygen. It consists of three basic chemical elements: potassium, a soft, light, silver white metal; nitrogen, a colorless, odorless gas; and oxygen, another common gas. When these three elements are reacted in the proper proportions, they form a whitish compound known as nitre or saltpeter, which has the chemical formula KNO3. This compound by itself isn't explosive, but it can create highly explosive exothermic reaction if in contact with producing agents. This is the reason why it is commonly used in fireworks and gunpowder.
And right here we had to wrap the bottom and the sides of the empty toilet paper tube with the aluminum foil. Instead of using the half cup of potassium nitrate and sugar, we had to use 1/4 cup. After mixing these two things on a hot plate, then we have to pour it in the toilet paper tube. Right here we used some matches and lighter fluid for the volcano.
The reaction of sugar and nitrate made heat, and that heat excited the metal fillings, causing them to oxidize and emit light. The mixtures of both represented the reactions of solids to form gases.
The reaction of the sugar with the oxygen. Table sugar plus oxygen yields carbon dioxide plus water. A balanced equation for the reaction of the potassium nitrate with sugar. Potassium nitrate plus table sugar yields potassium nitrite plus carbon dioxide plus water.
Can I get some lighter fluid? I'm just gonna light the toilet paper on fire.